In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Windows 10 when the option is grayed out. This might seem a bit daunting, especially if you're not used to diving deep into the settings of your PC, but don't worry, we'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can make the necessary adjustments with ease. First, let's get started by navigating to some essential settings. Begin by clicking on the Start button, or you may know it as the Windows icon located on the bottom left of your screen. This will bring up the Start menu, where we can start searching for our next destination. Once you have the Start menu open, look for the Settings gear icon and click on it. This will open up the Windows Settings window, which is your control hub for modifying many of your computer's options. In the Settings window, you'll see several categories, but what you're interested in is the Privacy option. Click that to proceed. Within the privacy settings, we'll need to head to the Location tab, which you can find on the sidebar to the left. After clicking Location, you'll see options related to your device's location data. This area is key to solving our problem. Under the section labelled Allow Access to Location on this device, you'll find a Change button. Click on Change and you'll see a toggle to turn on location services for this device. Ensure that it's switched on. This will enable location services, which is often the culprit behind a grayed out time zone setting. Next, make sure you also toggle Allow Apps to Access Your Location to On. This ensures that apps which rely on location data function correctly. Sometimes apps need this access in order to adjust settings like the time zone automatically. Additionally, there's an option to select which specific apps are allowed to access your location. You'll find a list of apps with toggles beside each one. Go through the list and enable location access for any apps that you think might need this permission for accurate functionality. Once these settings are adjusted, your computer should now be able to update time zone settings automatically, or you should be able to manually change the time zone if necessary. This adjustment often resolves issues related to grayed out options in the time settings of Windows 10. And there you have it, we've successfully navigated through Windows 10 privacy settings to resolve the time zone issue. Hopefully this tutorial helps you keep your PC running smoothly and efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Windows experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.